we're back again, this time in Trafford Park, where we've installed over 55 kilowatts of power here on the roof. That's 138 panels that we've installed. Manufacturer is JA Solar, 405 watts for each panel. So with an install like this, we do everything. So the guys in the office do all the pre-planning to the D&O. Once that gets approved, we come on site. So we get scaffold erected, we get all the telehandlers, boom lifts, scissor lifts, whatever we need to complete the job. We get everything on the roof safely. We follow the HSE guidelines so that all our staff can work safely on site. So we're now downstairs. We've installed this Solace 40 kilowatt inverter. It has 8 strings. We label each of our strings so it matches up to the laminated schematic of the plan roof we do. So later on, if it's us, we can just come in, and if there's a string down, we know exactly which cables match up to them strings at a later date.
Thank you to Atlantic Renewables for all the great work. It's been really efficient and quick to get them on there, and the install was painless. Yeah, we've obviously really wanted to get solar panels on the roof for a while now, and the numbers work for us on paper. We got the 130% capex write-off, which was a really good incentive, and it's great to know that we're now generating our own electricity. As the company grows, the consumption's increasing, and with all the turbulence in the market at the moment, it's just felt like a really good time to get this done.